Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Iman Herdiansa. You can call me Iman. I am from Pandeglang. I was born in Pandeglang. I live in Pandeglang, Waterblack. I am 19 your family member. I have one young brother. My father name is Apendi. My mother is Rosida. My father is a farmer. My mother is a housewife. Hobby, I like singing. Favorite food, fried rice. Favorite drink, I like coffee. Good dream, I wanna be a singer. See you. Thank you.